Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay, this is my channel Make Money with Jay, and in today's video we're going to look at how to make colouring pages. Yeah, so if you're new here, welcome. This is my channel. I upload videos how to make money with printables, KDP. I show everything I'm doing. I'm very transparent, don't hold nothing back. I show you my earnings. I also make videos how to make money with videos, like how using different video softwares, but my main source of income is making money with making printables and making books for KDP. So in today's video we're going to look at how to make colouring pages. Yeah, it's pretty simple. We're going to use a free software called Canva. I know you've pretty heard of it, and I've got these digital stamps, guys, and it's so simple. I've just put a border on it just so I can stay in the lines and don't get done for bleed and all that. Yeah, so I've just got these, and all I'm going to do is just upload some of these, and say for instance that one there, we'll put it on the bottom. Yeah, just make it a bit bigger so it fits across. Yeah, then we just put some fish in it, make it smaller. And that's all you're doing, guys. We're just doing this basically. Put some different fish in it, make that smaller, a bit smaller. No, with its friend, it's swimming around with its friend. Then we'll put some bigger stuff in it. Maybe we'll put, let's have a look near the top. Oh, we'll put a couple of these in, but they like to go in pairs, I'm sure they do, so we'll do that. And then what we'll do is flip it, just so then it's like kind of with its friend kind of thing. Yeah, yeah. What else can we have, guys? So should we have a big whale or a big shark or something like that? Yeah, or these are all the friendly ones. These are all different digital stamps. You can get them. I'll show you where you can get them in a bit, guys. Put some more different fish in it, swim in different ways. Yeah, if you don't have to have it on the screen, and what I do is just do this. Backwards. I've just put it behind it, guys, and also it's behind, just so it looks like it's coming onto the screen. Get some different fish in there. What do we put that behind it as well, just so it looks like that. We need something in here, something, I don't know, quite biggish. Move these a little bit. I don't know, what can we have? In fact, if I move, leave them there for now. And this is all I do. You just play around with it, guys. We'll keep this one friendly. Maybe another fish. We'll have another fish as well, but we'll flip this one, yeah, guys. We'll flip it, make it a bit smaller. In fact, we'll have that one there. I'll have this one up there. I'll have that one there. So let's move it. Yeah, and that's one picture. We can make another. I mean, kids will like enjoying colouring them in. There's another one. We can have a few big octopus on it. Yeah, but what we'll do, we'll just hide it behind the border kind of thing. Yeah, just coming out and then got some small tiny fish in it because the octopus is obviously bigger. What we need some like coral or something, yeah? That's it. All along the bottom kind of thing. Just for breaking up a little bit. So we can have, I'm going to flip that so then it kind of, as if it's just going out of the screen, it lets you think what it is, yeah? That can be another one. Or you can, let's have some, just play, guys. This is all I do. So you find what you like, basically. It's like the bottom of the ocean kind of thing, isn't it, guys? Yeah, so it could be just as simple as that, and then we'll do a couple more, and then maybe have this like kind of. This is more like 1 minute. This is more like in your tub, in it, I don't know, in your bowl. Well, what can we have? We can have another one like that, but you can stretch it a little bit, you know, so then it's a different kind of scenario. Then just, yeah, so it's a bit different in it. So what are we having on this one? The turtle. I'm sure we've seen a sea turtle earlier. Yeah, there he is. So you could have something like that, and then you could have some text on it as well. You can add text to it. I don't know what can we write. Put caps on, yeah. Under the sea. Under the sea I swim. Just simple, guys. Go on to effects, go to hollow, and then under the sea I swim, yeah? Just making it a little bit bigger, just so then. Now you can play around with this, you can make it how you want it. But look, we've got, in the space of like 10 minutes, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different scenes, yeah? And then we'll do one, we'll do one more, yeah, because I'm kind of liking these. But like I said, you play with it, you do whatever you want, yeah. I don't know what I want though on this one, guys. Maybe a little diver, yeah, you can be diving in the sea. Put that near the bottom because that's what he's going for. Yeah, you see, guys, he's going for that little pearl or whatever it is, with a little fish in there. We'll do a few more of these little bad boys, yeah. Kind of swimming in a pack kind of thing, isn't there? A shoal, I think they call it. Same with these, we'll have a few more because he's seeing the fish and he's looking at the fish. So we'll do a few more, yeah. They all swim together. They don't have to be right. A minute. Yeah. What else can we have? I think we'll put that up there like that, and then we can get something near the bottom, can't we? Some coral reef. So we'll make it a bit. Do we use that one or use that one? I can't remember. It's cutting off a bit, so that's why I did that. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be perfect, does it? Put that like in corner kind of thing. Just cut it off so it doesn't go up. Like that, guys, yeah. So then look, your little diver boy, make him a bit bigger because he's bigger than the fish, isn't he, obviously. Yeah, I'll get some of these bubbles as well coming out of his gob. It's coming out of his thing, yeah. Oh, I've got a good idea, guys. Let me just do that. Yeah, so these we'll have up there a little bit. Just sort of break up the picture a little bit, yeah. And I'm going to get rid of these. You see, you can still have the little thing here, but I kind of want this. As if he's swimming inside his house. His you know what I mean. His little fish tank. Yeah, what it's like to be inside your fish tank. Look, that's how simple it is, guys. I know. You don't have to go overboard, you can just make it simple, yeah. Might put him in the middle a little bit so it breaks up a bit of the white, yeah. And that's how easy it is, guys. So what I'm going to do with these guys, I will be giving them away for free. So if you want these for free, yeah, then come over to the Christmas Everyday Club website. Yes, it's called christmaseverydayclub.com. yeah, so if you come over here, you go to where it says fun and activities, you go to freebies, yeah. In the next couple of days, probably already be up there by the time you get by the time you've watched this video. You come to this site, it's called Christmas Everyday Club, yeah, and it's got Christmas freebies, and it's got lots of different stuff. It's got activities, yeah, but I am going to change all these so it'll be called the correct names, like colouring pages, like Bible colouring pages, cat colouring pages, Christmas tree, Christmas colouring book, yeah, things like that. But you will find them. I'll call it like obviously under the sea or sea, yeah, so you'll be able to find it easier. But if you come here anyway, you've got extras, you've got letters, you've got printable games, you've got puzzles and worksheets. But they'll all be, I'm gonna change it up a little bit so it'll be easier to read and find and that, guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please feel free to subscribe, because I'm going to be making more videos like this where I'm making different themes. I will be giving them away. Whatever I make, I'll be giving them away for free over on the website, and I show on here how to make printables as well, guys. So if you're interested in that, then stick around and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then comment below if there's any sort of colouring pages or printables you want me to create next. Yeah, so this one was under the sea. If there's anything else, you want animals, you want space, you want dinosaurs, you want pirates, let us know, guys. Yeah. Oh, before we go, guys, if you want to get this pack, if you come over to Creative Fabrica and type in digital stamps, you can download as many as you want, so you can make your own colouring pages, just as simple as I did, guys. Look, like It's a Boy, you got your St. Patrick's Day ones, you've got It's a Girl, you've got Mardi Gras, you've got your honeybees, you name it, guys, you can find it. Everything I've got here in everything I've got here, yeah, I've downloaded off Creative Fabrica. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Feel free. They are doing a promotion at the moment where you can sign up for $1, guys. Yeah, sign up for $1, that is it. And then after that, I think you get charged for like $19 a month. But for $1, guys, you might as well make the most of it. Yeah. Otherwise, you'll be paying for individual. If you want these individually, you'll have to pay them separate. Yeah. But other than that, feel free, guys. Check it out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.